Hey guys, if you would like to see how I went from this to this, you already know the vibes. Just stay tuned, sis. Stay tuned. Real sexy. So like, oh my god, like, how's everybody's quarantine going? Like, it's like, nah. So we just gonna get right into this video. Thank you guys for coming to my channel, watching my video, all that good stuff. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is how I watercolored my hair. I just used a jet black hair dye from Adore. I don't usually watercolor my wigs black, but you know, since it's quarantine season, all the beauty supply stores are closed, so I just had to make do with this one bottle of hair dye, you know. So yeah, I just had to, you know, watercolor this wig or whatever, and I'm just making sure that I'm not getting any color on the closure because I don't want my closure to be black. And you know, you have to comb the dye through so that it gets on each strand of the hair. And because I didn't want the dye to get on the closure, I just took my toothbrush and manually put the dye on the closure by the part because I wanted everything to be black. And yes, girl, it worked, but I prefer manually painting the hair black. I don't really like this watercolor method for black hair. But anyways, onto the styling part. I just take my Care wax stick and I just put it on the hair, you know, and I take my, what's this called again? Hot comb. Yeah, hot comb. And I just press the hair down because you don't want your closure looking all bumpy and lumpy and zumpy, sis. No way, Jose. So yeah, you just gotta press the hair down and whatnot, you know. And I already previously wore this wig, so like the baby hair's already there. So all I did was like comb the baby hairs out, if that makes sense, you know. Yeah. And then I take my heat protectant serum and I put it on the hair. I thoroughly apply this to each strand on the wig because this protects your hair from getting damaged when you go to use a heat applicator such as a flat iron or a crimper, which is what we are doing today. And I just make sure I section my hair because yeah, you have to section your hair when you're doing crimps because that's just what you gotta do. And I already started the crimps, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it because that was the purpose of this video. So you want to spray the spritz on your hair. Any spritz will work. Don't spray too much though, you don't want a lot. And then you section a small piece, you know, not too much hair, just a little bit of hair, and you put the other hair out the way. And then you take your crimp and you just crimp. I don't know how to explain this part too much, but you just crimp to the next section. So boom, you hold it for like 20 seconds and then boom, then you hold it for like 20 seconds and then you go to the next part. Now you gotta you have to use your brain kind of, because if you already crimped a section, you don't want to go right on top of the section that you crimped, you know. You want to move down the hair strand. Like, you don't want to keep crimping on top of the crimp that you already crimped. You understand? I know that makes sense to somebody. But yeah, it's pretty easy to crimp hair. Like, it's so easy. You just take your time. The video is really sped up, so it looks like I'm going really fast, but in reality, I was going super slow because you don't have to rush crimps if you want them to look good. So yeah, you just keep crimping and crimping and crimping till it looks like this. So beautiful, beautiful crimps. So if you kind of didn't understand, just rewatch the part where I crimp my hair so you can get it, because I didn't want to make this video too long. So yeah, this is how your hair should look once you're finished. Oh my god, look at me. Let me stop talking in that accent, but you already know the vibes. Like, I'm just gonna do my edges with my eyelash brush and my got to be gel. You already know. Like, if you're a loyal subscriber, you already know how I do my edges. Like, this is nothing new. Same old, same old. And baby, do you see how effortless this whole style is? Like, crimps really do something to me. Like, I love crimps. I had crimps in my hair so many times, but I never like made a video of it. So I'm finally posting how I do my crimps, and guys, it's just a vibe. And you could go to the living room and be a bad bitch in the living room. So y'all already know. Get your quarantine hairstyles in check, okay? Because the pop out is soon to come. Peace, y'all. Wait. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Now, bye.